appreciate a lot for your participation in this fabulous Facebook live series called as Ask the Doctor. Well, today as you all know that this is the eye glow day. Well, I'm going to talk about this dry skin conditions today. So far as the types of the skin are concerned, there are three important types actually. The first is called as the dry skin, the second is called as the oily skin, the third is called as the mixed skin. See, the skin actually contains a kind of an element which is an oily secretion called as sebum. We call it as a sebum. See, normally when the sebum secretion is too much, it actually causes a lot of oiliness on the skin. When the sebum secretion is absolutely zero, we call this condition as the dry skin condition. Sometimes there will be mixed type of skin also in people where you have a combination, we also call this as a combination skin or a mixed type of skin, where the sebum secretion will be very minimal and even the dry skin conditions can also be seen. See, of all the three conditions, my dear friends, dry skin is one thing which is very, very dangerous actually. See, normally we call this as the zero or the zerosis, or in fact the technical words of this is the dry skin conditions. So what exactly happens when you have a dry skin condition? It is not a serious condition as such, but dry skin may be a root cause. It may be a major reason for any kind of skin disorders in future also, my dear friends. This is how exactly the dry skin is mattering to the people a lot. So in most of the cases, because of the low moisture in air, as well as not a presence of moisture in the air also matters a lot so far as the skin is concerned. Sometimes in places where there are very less moisture in air, that also we call this as humidity. Whenever there is less humidity in air, your skin also turns a bit dry all the times. Whenever you have ample amount of humidity in air or moisture in air, your skin's moisture content will also increase. That is what is exactly called as the dry skin as well as the oily skin, my dear friends. So not only this, dry skin always produces a feeling of skin tightness. This is also very dangerous in fact. So people start to scratch their skin. That is also one of the things that people normally do. So that exactly this skin tightness can be very dangerous if it is left like that. So which causes this something called as pruritus. We call this as pruritus or itching of the skin. So it also leads to flaking of the skin or peeling of the skin. So whenever you itch a lot or scratch your skin a lot, automatically the peeling of the skin or scaling of the skin normally happens. It also results in the formation of fine lines. See, that is the reason why fine lines can be seen on the skin. Whenever the dry skin condition is very much persistent, the peeling as well as the flaking and in fact the fine lines will also appear, and finally leading to cracking of the skin. This exactly leads to something called as cracking of the skin. See, from one dry skin condition, it initially results in itching or pruritus. So whenever you are scratching your skin, it leads to scaling of the skin, peeling of the skin. Finally, the cracking of the skin happens. That is why the skin cracks. Finally, the tightness of the skin reduces, my dear friends. See, this is how the dry skin is going to affect your skin. See, I'm just showing my face. That doesn't mean that the problems will happen only on the face. It can happen elsewhere on the human body as well. So wherever the skin is present from the head till the toe. So wherever in the human body this particular dry skin condition happens, that particular area of the skin can be prone to this kind of infections or this kinds of diseases can happen, my dear friends. So with this dry skin again, the redness of the skin also tends to become more. Sometimes you people not only with a white complexion, even with a dark complexion, having this redness which is actually seen. That is also because of the dryness of the skin which actually happens. Finally, when the cracking of the skin happens, my dear friends, the bleeding starts. The capillaries, the small blood vessels which are present inside your skin, the peeling will, the rupture of these capillaries will happen, by which the bleeding or the oozing of the blood will also happen, my dear friends. This is what exactly the dry skin conditions can lead us to. But so far as the oily skin is concerned, the problems are still there. But as compared to the dry skin, oily skin is a bit better, but dry skin is the most worst condition, my dear friends. So this one thing that people have to bear in mind, dry skin should not happen. See, why I am telling you this point again and again is, see, this is a corona zamana as I call. We are using a lot of sanitizers which are containing a lot of alcohol, spirit, sodium hypochlorite. Such chemical derivatives are too much in them. Not only this, my dear friends, we are also using these masks which have a lot of fabrics in them. Also we are using a lot of gloves which also is made up of synthetic and rubber materials or nitrile materials. So all these things, what can happen to us is this can make the skin become dry. The dry skin can happen by the use of such protective gears. But as suggested by the government, we have to follow them because we need to get rid of this virus. So automatically we are vulnerable to using all these things, and ultimately our skin is also becoming dry because of all these things, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. This is what exactly happens when dry skin happens to your body. Well, so dry skin is very important so far as so far as the rupture of the skin does not happen, and so far as the oozing of the blood does not happen, my dear friends. Until then it can be maintained, but whenever the skin ruptures, whenever the skin actually becomes a gap there, and ultimately the oozing of the blood happens, normally the people will suffer from all kinds of dreadful diseases in future. One of the major conditions which happen because of this dry skin is called as atopic dermatitis. We call this as a dermatitis, where it is also called as eczema by some people. Eczema or dermatitis. Dermatitis is nothing but the inflammation of the skin itself. What exactly happens whenever your skin becomes dry is the cells which are present in your skin, they start to inflame. They start to swell up. That is the reason why this particular dry skin condition can lead to this atopic dermatitis, which is causing dryness all over the body. It causes the redness, it causes the cracking as well as inflammation of the skin, my dear friends. This is what is exactly called as atopic dermatitis. So for that there are a lot of options which are available, especially the application products which are available in the market. Like you have the moisturizers, the mild moisturizers, the intensive moisturizers, the middle moisturizers. All these kinds of moisturizers can help you out, but to what extent is a question actually. So these moisturizers can help you out in a very, very smaller extent when it is used persistently. But again, moisturizers do contain a lot of chemicals in them, my dear friends. It is not only the simple natural moisturizers which are available, but it also contains a lot of hazardous chemicals in them. So persistent use of these moisturizers will also result in a lot of skin issues in the future. Similarly, the soap as well. Soap also tends to dry your skin a lot. There are only very less the moisturizing soaps available. Most of the soaps that we use on a regular basis, they tend to dry your skin a lot. See, ultimately your skin is dry. We are using such cosmetics which will again make your skin more and more dry, my dear friends. That is the reason why we have a wonderful solution with us called as I-Glow, which you don't need to apply on your skin. Please consume I-Glow on a regular basis, so automatically you can get yourself prevented with this dreadful dry skin condition, which can lead to a lot of skin disorders and diseases in the future, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. So dry skin is relatively a dangerous condition as compared to the oily as well as mixed type of skins. So if you want to protect yourself, so please consume this Nutri-Cosmetic product called as I-Glow, so that you will not be suffering from any kind of dry skin issues in the future, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. See, whenever, especially during this corona period also, because we are all using this the sanitizers on a regular basis, well, we are not understanding our skin health. Of course, the sanitizers are very important for preventing and protecting our human bodies against the dreadful viruses. But at the same point of time, my dear friends, please have a look at your skin as well. Take care of your skin by the regular consumption of I-Glow. Well, definitely in the future, you will not suffer from any kind of dreadful dry skin disorders. I hope the point is clear to you all, my dear friends. Well, who doesn't want a brighter, younger looking skin is actually our tagline of I-Glow. So the beauty of the skin lies beneath and beyond the skin. It is not on the skin, my dear friends. It is beneath and beyond your skin. Wherever the beauty is there, so automatically the person is said to be beautiful. Suppose your liver detoxification happens properly, whenever your blood is purified properly, so automatically the skin is also rejuvenated. This is how the skin rejuvenation happens, my dear friends. So it has to happen by an internal basis and not only on an external basis. When it happens only on an external basis, automatically the result is also very less. But whenever it happens on an internal basis, the result is always prolonged. The result is always very good. The efficacy is long term. That is what we normally call it as. Well, as you all know that I-Glow is first of its kind product in India, which is based on this internal cosmetic or the nutri-cosmetic property, my dear friends. So after this COVID-19 pandemic has started across the world, people are now resorting to this natural cosmetics which are internal in nature, because they also know that the external cosmetics, whatever we are using, has a lot of hazardous chemicals in them. So for 1 or 2 days it might look okay to us, but in a long run this can lead to a lot of side effects on the skin, my dear friends. But by the consumption of internal cosmetics, we are detoxifying your body, we are detoxifying your liver, we are purifying your blood. So automatically this particular side effects will not happen, and the long term results can be obtained, my dear friends, by the product like iGlow. I hope the point is clear to you all. So as you all know that the nutri-cosmetic segment itself across the world is improving a lot these days. People are resorting to natural products. But one thing you have to understand here, nutri-cosmetic is a topic which is based on your hairs, the nails as well as the skin. But our product iGlow is positioned only for the skin. Nutri-cosmetic is actually a very broader concept where your hairs are covered, your nails are covered, and your skin is also covered. So we have taken only the skin part of it, my dear friends. You should not confuse that this product is a good product for hair growth or something like that. It is not so. So as you all know that iGlow is a wonderful product which contains an ingredient called as saffron, which is sourced from the Kashmir Valley, and this is considered as the world's best known source of saffron, the best quality available saffron in the whole world. In fact, the government of India has given a geographical indication tag, we call it as a GI tag, to this particular saffron, so that it gives you wonderful results. So not only this saffron is considered as the best spice in the world, one of the best spices in the world actually. In fact, the saffron is not known today or yesterday, my dear friends. The saffron is known from the period of Ayurveda, dating back to 5000 years, where it was known by the name of Kesar. The name Kesar was given 5000 years back actually. That was the reason why it is called as saffron or even Kesar in some of the terminologies today. So saffron is a wonderful ingredient which shows the antibacterial properties as well as antioxidant properties as well, my dear friends. It also cures your skin or heals your skin. That is what exactly the saffron does. Healing of the skin can happen with the help of saffron, my dear friends. So not only saffron, our product also contains a wonderful ingredient called as the natural plant collagen. See, normally as I tell you, collagen is an ingredient which is normally used across the world for both internal as well as external products. But one thing is very important here, collagen, normally the non-vegetarian sources or the animal sources of the collagen is always drastically used. But in our product, we are using this natural plant collagen by making an innovative technology from the herbal materials or the natural products that is available with us. Like it might be the berries, it might be the fruits, it might be the vegetables. All these things have some collagen contents in them which we are using in our product, and we are making this wonderful product iGlow, my dear friends. So this particular natural plant collagen will help diminish the appearance of skin dullness as well as the dark spots which are present on the skin, my dear friends. Not only this, our product also contains the grape seed extract. The grape seed extract as well as the skin of grapes contain this wonderful natural element called as the resveratrol. This resveratrol is considered to be the best antioxidant which will moisturize your skin and make your skin healthy. This is what resveratrol is going to do, which is present in our product, my dear friends. Not only this, kojic acid is also present in our product. Kojic acid is considered as a skin lightening agent. It is a wonderful skin lightening agent. It also protects our skin from sun damage. See, the sun rays contains a lot of ultraviolet elements in them, which we are exposed to every day. So the skin, can be affected, can be damaged when you are exposed to this ultraviolet rays. So this particular kojic acid is a wonderful element which can help you against sun damage. Again, this kojic acid, my dear friends, is not some kind of a drastic acid. This is a normal natural acid which is available from the seaweeds. Probably you might be knowing the weeds which are growing in the sea. From the seaweeds, we are extracting this particular kojic acid in a very natural way. It's a 100% natural product, my dear friends. Not only this, we also have this wonderful licorice extract. The licorice is also called as a sweet root. This licorice is a wonderful skin lightening ingredient. Especially it is used to control excess oil secretion in the skin also. As I told you before, dry skin is one of the dangerous conditions, but excess oil in the skin can also lead to a lot of skin ailments in the future. That is the reason why licorice, which is used in our product, will reduce the excess oil which is present in the skin, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. So, apart from this, it also has a lot of lutein extract. Lutein is actually derived from the natural marigold flowers. In fact, lutein is called as a carotenoid, which is orange in color. This particular lutein is a wonderful antioxidant which improves the skin hydration and elasticity as well. So the next thing is the natural CoQ10. So natural CoQ10 is an enzyme which is again derived from the seaweeds. The seaweeds which are growing in the sea, we are deriving the natural coenzyme Q10. It is in fact beneficial for improving the energy of the skin, my dear friends. This is very, very important. It improves the skin energy. This energized skin will always give you a young look and feel. I hope the point is clear to you all. The energy of the skin also matters a lot. Well, not only this, the other important ingredient. Suppose if you have a chance to look at the packaging of I-Glow, please have a look at the ingredients which are written behind the packaging of I-Glow. We also have the banana fruit extract which is present in this particular product I-Glow, my dear friends. See, bananas, a very, very important fruit which is a source of fiber, which is a source of vitamins, multivitamins, multiminerals. It gives you a boost of energy. The bananas are also considered to moisturize your skin. It is a wonderful ingredient for improving the for decreasing the dryness of your skin and moisturizing your skin and hydrating your skin so that your skin is well moisturized and you will not suffer from any kind of dry skin ailments in the future. In fact, the banana peel as well as the banana pulp is considered to be very nourishing to the skin as well. It also reduces the itching which happens on the skin because of the dry skin. As I have told you what and all the dry skin causes. In fact, the banana is a very important fruit, as well as the peel of banana will reduce the itching or the pruritus which happens on the skin. It also reduces the inflammation. As I told you, the atopic dermatitis. Banana is also known for reducing the inflammation of the skin so that the redness of the skin is also reduced, my dear friends. I hope these are the wonderful benefits of banana that we get so far as skin health is concerned. I hope the points are clear to you. So, not only this, bananas are a wonderful source of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is the one which is also responsible for improving the blood cells in your body. It metabolizes the amino acids. It gives you a healthy nervous system. It removes unwanted toxins from our skin. It is also good for the children's needs as well. So in fact, bananas are also a very good source of vitamin C. As you all know that vitamin C is a very good antioxidant, and antioxidants are very much required for maintaining your skin health. I hope the point is clear to you all. This is also one of the wonderful ingredients which is present in our product I-Glow. As you all know, my dear friends, I-Glow is a wonderful product which is required for skin lightening. It is an anti-aging product. It is an anti-wrinkle product as well. It moisturizes your skin. It reduces the dark spots. It gives you a radiant complexion. It reduces the blemishes. Blemishes are nothing but the old scars which are present on the skin. It gives you a radiant complexion. It prevents the damage of the skin. It gives you overall skin rejuvenation. It is called as a holistic skin health support. I hope the point is clear to you all. It detoxifies your liver. Whenever the liver is detoxified, automatically the blood is purified. Whenever the blood is purified, the most important thing, the skin health will be enhanced. I hope the point is clear to you all. So if male, women, so there is men, women as well as kids, all the three of you can consume this I-Glow. So there is no problems with that. So for the better results, I will suggest you to consume one sachet of I-Glow in the morning, 15 minutes after breakfast, and one sachet of I-Glow in the night, 15 minutes after dinner, my dear friends. It is better to consume I-Glow 15 minutes after the food always for the better absorption purposes. If it is consumed before the food, not much absorption of the product can be seen and the health benefits can be reduced. So it is always important for you to consume this 15 minutes after breakfast and 15 minutes after dinner for beneficial results. I hope the point is clear to you all. For children especially, it is always important to consume above 6 years of age. It is not recommended below that age, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. It can be taken along with the adjuvant. In fact, this can be taken as an adjuvant along with other cosmetics and medications safely. I hope the point is clear to you all. So there is no side effects or interactions of this product with any other product that you are having, my dear friends. So you don't have to worry about such things. Suppose if a person is consuming some kind of a medication or a product or a different kind of a product, it might be an allopathic product, it might be an Ayurvedic product or a homeopathic product, you can safely give this eye glow because it does not cause any kind of side effect or adverse effects, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. So this is what is a short topic of eye glow that I wanted to cover, my dear friends. So thank you so much for your patient watching. So this is the question answer time. So I'll be taking up the questions now. So today the questions have been prepared by my colleague Miss Sangeeta. So the first question, how to use eye glow? I think I've answered this question now. Above 6 years of age, 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the night, 15 minutes after your breakfast and 15 minutes after your dinner. This is the way eye glow has to be consumed, my dear friends. It should not be consumed before your food. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So the next question is, does eye glow help in fungal and bacterial infections? See, the ingredients which are used in eye glow are very important antibacterial ingredients as well as antifungal ingredients also. You can definitely use this in combination with eye pulse. In a very good combination of eye pulse and eye glow is better for bacterial and fungal infections, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. Eye glow will be 1 sachet twice daily, whereas eye pulse will be 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food, whereas eye glow is half an hour, 15 minutes after the food. I hope the point is clear to you all. So the next question is, 15 years girl with tan and heavy pimples got good result. After a month started using second box, pimples have appeared and skin started blackening. What I would like to suggest here is, you can consider using 1 sachet of eye glow in the night times. Stop it in the mornings. You can use only 1 sachet in the night, half an hour or 15 minutes after your dinner. Stop it in the mornings completely. If you do like this, again the results will come back. So for the first month it is done. From the second month onwards, please follow this rule. Stop it in the mornings, continue it in the night time. 1 sachet in the night, 15 minutes after the dinner will help your purpose, my dear friend. So the next question that I am seeing here is, can eye glow help in lightening the pigmentation on the back neck area due to sunburn? As I have told you, my dear friends, eye glow contains 2 important ingredients. One thing is called as kojic acid, the second is licorice extract. Both of them are known for skin lightening benefits and have very good results on pigmentation issues. So definitely you can use this product in such a condition at a dose of 2 sachets in a day, 15 minutes after the food. I hope the point is clear to you. So the next question is, for white spots and surgery stitches, can we suggest eye glow? Well, a very good question. Again, a combination of eye pulse and eye glow would be better in this particular condition, my dear friend. I hope the point is clear to you all. So the next question is, how many boxes of eye glow can give a better result? As a part of general wellness supplement, I would like to tell you one thing, my dear friends. For better results, always consume eye glow at least for a minimum period of 3 months. Maximum it can be consumed as long as desired. But the 3 months is very much important for increasing the absorption, the digestion, the excretion and metabolism of this wonderful product, eye glow, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. I hope, my dear friends, you are finding the link on the chat box itself. Whenever you are hearing this program from now on, you will be finding the link for asking your questions. Suppose if your questions are not answered right now directly on the live, you can also pose your questions by clicking on the link which is present on the screen right now in front of you. When you click the link, you can pose your questions, then definitely your questions will be answered and no questions will be left unanswered, my dear friends. So thank you so much for your patient watching. So that is it for the day. So this is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, signing off from the desk. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Bye.